Imagine teaching a robot by rewarding good decisions, instead of giving it exact instructions. That's reinforcement learning.
Reinforcement learning is a machine learning technique where an AI agent learns by interacting with an environment and receiving rewards or penalties. The agent tries different actions, learns from outcomes, and gradually discovers which decisions maximize rewards. For example, a self-driving car can learn safer driving strategies by receiving rewards for staying in lanes and avoiding collisions. Reinforcement learning powers game-playing AI, robotics, autonomous vehicles, and many intelligent decision-making systems. Reinforcement learning teaches AI through rewards and experience, helping machines continuously improve their decisions over time. Follow for more AI in 60 seconds.